The benefits of having lucky bamboo in your home or office. Lucky bamboo is a popular plant that is often found in homes and office. This plant is also known for its beauty, ease of care, and ability to bring good luck and positive energy into a space. In this video, I will explore some of the benefits of having lucky bamboo in your home or office. One of the most obvious benefits of having lucky bamboo in your home or office is its aesthetic appeal. With its long, slender stalk and lush green leaves, lucky bamboo adds a touch of natural beauty to any space. It is also versatile and can be grown in a variety of ways, including in soil, rocks, or water, and can be shaped into various designs to suit your personal style. Another benefits of having lucky bamboo in your home or office is that it is incredibly easy to care for. The plant does not require much attention or maintenance, making it an ideal choice for those who are busy or have a limited amount of time to care for plants. Lucky bamboo can be grown in a water or soil and only needs to be watered once a week or when the water level is low. Lucky bamboo is believed to bring positive energy and good luck to the space. According to feng shui principles, it is said to promote happiness, prosperity, and harmony, making it an ideal plant to have in your home or office.